Describe infrastructure as service. Infrastructure as service (IaaS) is the most flexible category of cloud services, as it provides you with maximum amount of control for your cloud resources. In IaaS model, the cloud provider is responsible for maintaining the hardware, network, connectivity to the internet, and physical security. You are responsible for everything else: operating system installation, configuration and maintenance, network configuration, database and storage configuration, and so on. With IaaS, you are essentially renting the hardware in cloud data center, but what you do with that hardware is up to you. For the shared responsibility model, applies to all the cloud service types. IaaS places the largest share of responsibility with you. The cloud provider is responsible for maintaining the physical infrastructure and its access to the internet. You are responsible for installation and configuration, batching and updating, and the security. So let's have a look here. So you can see that currently you are the IaaS here. So you can see that the customer here, you can see that the IaaS is for information and data. It is your responsibility. The devices, the accounts is your responsibility. The identity and directory infrastructure is your responsibility. Here you can see that on the table of IaaS. The application is your responsibility. Network controls is your responsibility. Operating system is your responsibility. So you can see that all of that is your responsibility. Okay, but the physical host, the physical network, the physical data center here is the cloud Microsoft Azure responsibility. So let's have some scenario. So some common scenario where IaaS might make some sense include lift and shift migration. You are standing up cloud resources similar to your on-premise data center, and then simply moving the things running on-prem to running on the IaaS infrastructure. Testing and development. You have established configuration for development and testing environments that you need to rapidly replicate. You can stand up or shut down the different environments rapidly with IaaS structure while maintaining complete control.